Hello again, my precious. Here is a new video on my channel, and today we are talking about adverbs, but degrees of comparisons of adverbs in Ukrainian. It will be the last grammar topic for this channel because next topics will be concentrated on vocabulary and useful phrases, but of course some grammar will be in every video too. If you want me to continue to do grammar lessons, just write me in the comments. If you want me to do more vocabulary and more useful expressions, write me in the comments. I will be pleased to do the videos for you. But for now, last grammar topic, adverbs. Let's start. Прислівник. Ступені порівняння. Adverb, comparisons and superlative. So, let's learn something new. Прислівник, ступені порівняння. Adverb, the degrees of comparison. So, like adjectives, adverbs in Ukrainian have their degrees of comparison. Comparative degree and superlative degree. Comparative degree. Let's look at it. Like adjective has simple form and compound form. For example, two adverbs: швидко, весело, quickly, funny. So, in simple form, we put ше, іше. Швидше, веселіше. In compound form, we put before більш, менш, more, less. Більш швидко, more quickly, менш весело, less funny. And here is like a quicklier, funnier. And the superlative degree. Again, we put simple form of comparative and put the prefix най before. Найшвидше, the quickest, найвеселіше, the funniest. And in compound form, we put найбільш, найменш before. So, the most, the least. Найбільш швидко, the most quickly, найменш весело, the least funny. So, you can use any forms you wish, simple or compound. I guess it's pretty easy. And as with adjectives, we have exceptions in adverbs too. These adverbs change their form completely in comparative and superlative degree. For example, гарно, краще, найкраще. Nice, better, the best. Like well, better the best, good, better the best. So, погано, гірше, найгірше, bad, worse, worst. But it is adverb. Мало, менше, найменше. Little, small, less, the least. Багато, більше, більше. A lot, more, the most. Високо, вище, найвище. Somewhere high, higher, the highest. Глибоко, глибше, найглибше, deeply, deeply, the deepest. Швидко, швидше, найшвидше, quickly, quickly, the quickest. Вузько, вужче, найвужче, narrowly, narrowly, narrowliest. Дорого, дорожче, найдорожче. Expensively, more expensively, the most expensively. So, here are our exceptions, and let's go to practice. Потренуємося. So, закінчить речення. Finish these sentences. So, here are the sentences. We should finish them with comparative degree. For example, це глибокий басейн. This is the deep swimming pool. Тут глибоко. It's deep here. А там and there, and we should complete with it's deeper. Yes, but deeper, it's глибоко, and according to our rule, глибше. So, try to read all the sentences, try to complete them, and after that we will check and translate everything for you. Answers. So, let's check the exercise. Це глибокий басейн. Тут глибоко, а там глибше. This is a deep swimming pool. Here is deep, but there deeper. Вона написала диктант добре, а він краще. She wrote a dictation well, but he did it better. Це темна кімната. Тут темно, а там темніше. This is a dark room. Here is dark, but there is darker. На моєму кріслі сидіти м'яко, а на твоєму м'якше. On your armchair it's soft to sit, but on yours it is softer. Я слухаю сумну музику, а він весело. Мені сумно, а йому веселіше. I'm listening to sad music, and he is listening to happy music. I'm sad, but he is happier. Сьогодні я почуваюся погано, проте він гірше. Today I feel bad, but he feels worse. Взимку у парку гарно, а навесні краще. In winter the park is beautiful, but in spring it is better. Він керує машиною швидко, але його брат швидше. He drives fast, but his brother is faster. So, I hope all the forms of comparative degree are clear for you. So, let's continue our practice. Потренуємося. The second exercise in our today's lesson. Утворіть ступеня порівняння прислівників. We must make comparative and superlative degrees of these adverbs. For example, Іван читає швидко, Марія читає швидше, Микола найшвидше. Іван reads fast, Mary reads faster, Nick reads the fastest. And so on. Let's do all these three sentences and let's check our answers. Answers. So let's check all the sentences. Іван читає швидко, Марія читає швидше, Микола читає найшвидше. Іван reads fast, Maria reads faster, Микола reads the fastest. Оля малює гарно, Галя малює краще, Віка малює найкраще. Оля draws well, Галя draws better, Віка draws the best, or paints. Ми працюємо мало, ви працюєте менше, вони працюють найменше. We work not a lot, you work less, they work the least. Я розмовляю тихо, ти розмовляєш тихіше, він розмовляє не тихіше. I speak silently, you speak more silently, he speaks the most silently. So I hope all forms are clear for you. It was pretty easy and pretty short video. Write any questions, write everything you don't understand. I will try to explain again. And we will continue learning together.
Колір дощу тобі личить найбільше.
This is the end of our video. I hope you have liked it. I hope you have enjoyed it like me enjoyed doing it. I hope everything was clear. If not, write me in the comments. I will try to explain you once more. And I hope that all the exercises were useful. Please give this video a huge thumb up, share it with your friends, and write some comments if you have any questions for me. And we will see each other next Friday. Bye bye!